2018, folks. It's the wheat harvest season. Looking pretty good. Oh yeah. Here we go. She's coming in, folks. Looks like the deer been bedding in there and stuff. She's going good. Oh yeah, she's shooting out good, folks. She's working good. We're live from the dirt road field, folks. 2018 harvest, folks. Wheat that we planted. Here we go, folks. It's digging in, starting to dig in. We're mowing grass. It's going good. She's working real good, folks. Oh yeah, folks. No moisture on it. Looking good. Good, folks. I think some of that might be some of the product. I'm not too sure. I'm just part of the production crew, folks. 2018, folks. Harvest season starting right here, right now. What do you think? Is it working good? Yeah. Ranch managers need to do
a lot of deer nests right back down.
I've seen that right here too. That's good. Yeah. A couple trees here, folks. We had a couple trees that got picked up to the shed. I think it's getting ready to plug up, folks, and the escape hatch will come out. There you go. It's dumping a load right now. It's like, it's kind of like a cow. It gets full and just drops the load. Other than that, folks, it's working pretty good. 2018 harvest. We got the fucking drone here. We're getting ready to fire up. It's a DJI model. I think it's a fucking called the Maverick model. It's tuned up. We're gonna be running this thing on an ISO system here. What we got here? Still got it in the box, folks. Never used it before. Brand new. Got her in the skies. We're getting ready to take off with the drone, folks, and see what the moisture content is out up there in the middle of the field. He's even got it staked down like he's planning on like leaving it there for a while. Thinks the wind's gonna pick up thick. All right, folks, I hear a little grinding. I think we're getting into some sticks. looking good.
Going too damn low. Going too damn low. Stay the fuck off.
Says too low a little bit. It looks good. Looking good. Here we go. There we go. There we go. It's taking it. There you go. It's took it. Taking it like a champ. Might have a little bit of pluggage up there. I think we're plugged up, folks. The throat of the combine's all choked. We got a big bushel system. I think we're getting about 100 bushel an acre this year. So it's plugged up pretty bad. Well, what happened here is he just soaked up a couple fucking trees up into the damn unit, so we really don't know how good that's going to go. Got the microband machine here. All right, folks. Let's see what it looks like here.